everyone, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas and great time off. I also wish you a very, very happy New Year. And today I'm going to do a few techniques. I need a cup, a sheet metal cup that has angled sides, and I need it to be basically watertight. So I'm going to use a number of nice little techniques that I hope you'll enjoy. So the first thing I do is go to the sheet metal package. I'm going to go to Application Sheet Metal right here, and I'm going to start off with a tab. And the tab is going to be approximately 3 inches by 2 inches. So I'm going to use my handy dandy little rectangle tool and go out like that and up like that. And I'm going to put the dimensions on it of 3 and 2. I'll say close, and I'll accept the default thickness of 0.1. There we go, 0.1. Next, I want to put some flanges on. I want to put 2-inch tall flanges, and I want to put them at 80 degrees. I want this thing to have a bit of an angle, so I'm selecting all of the edges all at once. And there we go, we have all the edges. But I want this to be nice and closed, and I want them to be something that I can weld it all together and make it basically airtight. And so I'm going to use the closed corner tool. Here's closed corner. And to use the tool, you just select the bend areas. You make sure it says closed here. And the overlap is none enclosed with a 0 gap. And hit apply. Do it again. Apply. Do it again. Apply. One more time. Bend, bend. And say OK. Beautiful. All right, now, in order to use this correctly, I need a few tabs. So I'm going to hit the flange tool again, and this time I'm going to do at center with a width of 1 inch and a length of 1.5 inches. It's going to be right in the center. The angle, again, is going to be 80 degrees, and apply, and apply. There we go. So I've got my little tabs there. I'm going to go to the break corner, and I'm going to grab the little corners here, and I'm going to give them 0.5 so it comes around very nicely. There you go, there you go. And say OK. And I'm going to go to the normal cutout, and I'm going to put 2 little circles that are concentric to the blended areas. There's 1. And there's 2, and let's go to the concentric. So we make those concentric like that. Let's go to equal radius. I've got my automatic selection progression on, and let's put 1 little dimension on one of them, and let's make that 0.25, and there we go. So now we've got the cup, and we've got means to place it on the wall or place it on covering what I want it to cover. And then I just want to weld these up. And so I'm going to go back to modeling by hitting the M key, and I'm going to go to Menu, Insert, and I'm going to go to the Weld Assistant, and I'm going to do a fillet weld. Fillet weld. My measurement for the fillet weld will be 0.08, and I'm going to select face 1, and I'm going to go here and select face 2 and hit apply. And there we go. It's all welded up. Face 1, face 2, apply. Twice more. Face 1 and face 2, apply. And last one. Oops. Face 1, middle mouse button, face 2, middle mouse button, and there you have it. There's my finished product. So the closed corner tool is something I like to use. The weld tool is fantastic, and as you can see, the sheet metal ability in NX is absolutely superb. So now we go on to do the PMI, we go on to do the drawing, we release it, and we're ready to go. Thanks. Again, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Please like and subscribe, help us out, help us grow the channel, help us get the word out that you can be amazingly creative and use these tools to your great advantage, and hopefully you enjoy using them as much as I do. Happy New Year, 2025, it's up to us to make it a fantastic year no matter what. It's in our hands, and let's be incredibly positive. Again, my name's Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries. Thanks for watching.